Hey guys, welcome to this 2021 Chevrolet Suburban tutorial here on the Vehicle Visionary YouTube channel. If you want to maximize your cargo space that is already plentiful with all of the seats in their upright position, here's how you do it. That's what these switches are for right here. Now this third row of seats is fully power. You can let them down one at a time if you want to, or you can actually do both at the same time. And as you can see, we already have one of the middle row seats down, but you can also lower that down. Now those don't come up automatically. You'll have to go up and do that manually, and I'll show you how to do that in just a second. But let's raise the middle row seats. I'm just holding the buttons in their upright position, and now those are in their upright position. And here is what you can do with these middle row seats. You can raise those back up by hand, and they do slide on a track to adjust their position, and they are also reclining, which same thing with those rear seats. So that is how you operate all of your seats and maximize your cargo space. If you liked what you saw today on the Vehicle Visionary YouTube channel, guys, please make sure to hit that subscribe button. And when we hit 25,000 subscribers, one of you will win a gift card to Amazon for $250. Thank you for your time. I'll see you next time.